In 2021, Government of India released the SDG India Index by Niti Aayog, which measures the progress of each Indian state in different parameters such as infrastructure development and poverty eradication. This is the image which displays the overall performance of all Indian states. If we look closely, we can find a marked difference in the development between the western and eastern region of India. In this video, we are comparing the western and eastern zones of India and try to identify the factors responsible for the unequal development between these regions. First, let us try to explore the different zones of India. India is divided into 6 zones. This include the western zone comprising of Goa, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, and the eastern zone comprising of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. The western region generates 24% of national GDP of India, which is far ahead than the eastern zone. States such as Bihar and Jharkhand also lags behind in many other parameters such as general infrastructure, poverty eradication, and growth in industrial sector. There are numerous factors responsible for this unequal growth distribution. 1. History. The Permanent Settlement Act by the British was introduced first in Bengal and Bihar. Under this act, the landlords or zamindars were given hereditary rights over land, as long as they give fixed revenue to the British. This further impoverished the already struggling peasantry who worked on this land, resulting in concentration of lands in few hands. Even after independence, this unequal land distribution is a major factor for this area's backwardness. 2. Freight equalization policy. The proximity to raw materials is a major factor which determine the location for establishing industries. Under this new policy, central government heavily subsidized the transportation cost of minerals. So industrialists preferred setting up factories closer to coastal trade hubs like Mumbai, rather than mineral-rich sites of eastern states. This policy took away the competitive advantage of the eastern parts of the country and resulted in stunting its development. 3. Lack of investment in agriculture. Although many people in the eastern states such as Bihar still depend on agriculture, the investment in irrigation and other agriculture facilities has been inadequate, resulting in reduced productivity. 4. Problems in governance. Investors usually prefer areas with more stability and less law and order issues. The lack of strong institutions in a region may drive away new investors. So many prefer already developed areas like Mumbai to set up their business. There are also many other factors for this uneven economic development. If India wants to decrease this disparity, it has to focus on region-specific socio-economic policies. Thank you.